Listen up. Fellow Stoics of the digital age, you've just stumbled upon a treasure trove. But no, I'm not talking about the latest viral video or meme. If you've ever found yourself doom scrolling through social media, sighing at the pressures of modern life, wondering why you can't just let things go, or simply wishing you cared a little less about every little thing, then congratulations, you're in the right place. Long before our modern-day chaos, a group of brilliant thinkers known as the Stoics laid down principles that, believe it or not, can teach us the fine art of not sweating the small stuff. Ironic, isn't it? That ancient wisdom might just be the key to mastering our smartphone-fueled, caffeine-driven lives. Over the next few minutes, you're going to discover 10 simple yet profoundly transformative Stoic principles, lessons so refreshing they might just be the antidote to the chaos of 21st century living. And hey, if you want to be the first to uncover more pearls of wisdom like these, go ahead and hit that notification bell and subscribe. Worst case scenario, you gain some wisdom. Now let's dive in. 1. Control what's within. Release what's without. Picture this. It's a rainy Tuesday morning. You've just made the perfect cup of tea, and just as you're about to take a sip, bam, your cat knocks it over. The old you might have fumed, cursed whiskers, or even blamed the universe. But here's a Stoic truth. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca tea spills. Cats are mischievous. Life throws curveballs. What's in your control? Your reaction. Instead of letting frustration take over, you can laugh it off and make another cup. The next time your Wi-Fi acts up during an important Zoom call, or your pizza arrives cold, remember, it's not the cold pizza that upsets you, but your interpretation of it. 2. Embrace the present moment. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Do not let the future disturb you, for you will arrive there if you nurture your present." Notifications constantly ping. Our thoughts race faster than our internet speed. And yet, what do we often miss? The now. Think about those times you walked to the park, but your mind was lost in tomorrow's worries. Or the family dinners where you were physically present but mentally elsewhere. The Stoics remind us, this moment is a gift. Being present isn't just about paying attention. It's about truly experiencing life. Savor your meals. Listen, really listen to your friends. Feel the wind on your face. Let go of yesterday's regrets and tomorrow's anxieties. In the grand tapestry of life, it's these little moments that define our happiness. 3. Accept change as nature's core seasons change effortlessly. Winter melts into spring. Leaves fall, only to grow again. Yet, when life throws change our way, a job loss, a breakup, an unexpected move, we resist. As Epictetus wisely put it, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Life is ever-changing, as fluid as a river. Fighting against the current? Exhausting. Learning to flow with it? That's where freedom lies. Every twist in turn add a new stroke to your masterpiece. So next time life hands you an unexpected detour, remember, it's all part of the grand design. 4. Detached from external validation. In today's world of likes, shares, and retweets, it's easy to measure our worth by external validation. But Epictetus reminds us, man is not worried by real problems so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems. We let tiny icons on a screen dictate our mood. But Stoicism urges us to seek validation from within. Your worth isn't measured by online clout. It's defined by your values, character, and actions. The next time your post doesn't get the engagement you expected or someone leaves a snide comment, remind yourself, your value is not up for public voting. 5. Recognize life's natural cycles. Loss is painful, whether it's a favorite hoodie, a cherished memory, or a loved one. But Marcus Aurelius teaches us, loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. Just as trees shed leaves to make way for new growth, life presents endings and new beginnings. Rather than clinging to what was, Stoicism invites us to appreciate impermanence. Live fully, love deeply, let go gracefully. Every sunset makes way for a sunrise. 6. Seek growth in adversity. Everyone faces challenges. Annoying bosses, unexpected bills, delayed trains. It's easy to complain. But Seneca reminds us, difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Think of challenges as life's personal gym for your soul. Instead of asking, why me, Ask, what can this teach me? Every setback is an opportunity for growth. It's all about perspective. A true Stoic doesn't avoid challenges. They say, bring it on. 7. Cultivate inner riches in an age of Instagram flexing. It's easy to equate happiness with wealth. But Seneca wisely said, it's not the man who is too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. True wealth isn't in material possessions. It's in contentment, experiences, and relationships. Enjoy life's luxuries, but don't be enslaved by them. Because at the end of the day, it's the memories we make, not the things we collect, that truly matter. 8. Understand and accept fate. Epictetus offers this timeless advice. Don't demand that things happen as you wish. Wish for them to happen as they do. Life is a blend of our efforts and the universe's designs. Sometimes, despite our best plans, things don't go our way. Instead of resisting, Stoicism teaches us to embrace what is. After all, the most captivating stories often emerge from life's unexpected twists. 9. Be of service to others. Stoicism isn't just about personal enlightenment. It's about community. As Seneca said, we are all bound together in a partnership. Helping others enriches not just their lives, but our own. Whether it's supporting a friend, volunteering, or offering a kind word, every act of kindness ripples outward. Thriving isn't just about personal success. It's about lifting others along the way. 10. Reflect, review, and realign. In today's fast-paced world, we rarely pause. But Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Regular self-reflection is like a system update for your mind. Take time to introspect, learn, and realign. Celebrate small wins. Learn from missteps. Growth comes from understanding ourselves. Final thoughts. These 10 Stoic principles aren't about being emotionless or aloof. They're about resilience, presence, and leading a life of purpose. Now, before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these Stoic principles resonated with you the most? Was it Seneca's wisdom? Or did Marcus Aurelius feel like your newfound confidant? And if you found even a sliver of value in this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Not for vanity metrics, but so we can continue this journey of wisdom together. Life is unpredictable, but with the right mindset and a dash of Stoic spice, it can be a beautiful adventure. Until next time, stay curious, stay Stoic, and carry on. Cheers!